Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. We're diving right in. I have a teeny tiny little Ulta haul, and before y'all yell at me, before y'all come for me, I know I'm on a no-buy, okay? But this is a teeny tiny little order. A couple of things really piqued my interest, and I wanted to try from the brand, and then the foundation, I mean, I had to. I just had to. So let me take everything out of my little bag. Everything meaning the few things I actually got. I hope you guys are well. I am doing okay in my no-buy. This is my first purchase aside from a pair of leggings from Amazon that are fantastic. First up, I got the brand new drop from Winky Luxe. This is the Cheeky Rose Liquid Blush and Liquid Sculpt. So it is a liquid blush. I got the shade Darling, and then a liquid bronzer in Amalfi. And these just looked amazing, and I've not tried very much, actually just one palette from them years ago. So if you have any experience with Winky Luxe, I would love to know. And the main reason I made a purchase was I wanted to try out the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence. And it's supposed to be a Hydro Fresh tint, and I got light medium. And I know that I am not somebody that kind of falls in line with virality and things like that. My thing is, this sounded like something that I would love, having more mature skin, having drier skin, and then it just happens to be viral. So I just want to note that for you guys. Also, I am preparing to film this next, so I'm not sure which you'll see first, but I am going to do a full dedicated video on this, and then I also want to test these out. And then the last thing that I picked up is the brand new Wow Length, the Lash Without Limits Brown Extreme Length and Volume Mascara from Essence. And I do have a couple of brown mascaras, and there's something that I really, really love. Brown mascara, brown liners are something that I recommend to older clients when I do makeup on people. So I'm taking my own advice, and I think they look really pretty. And I really like Essence mascaras most of the time. So that's my haul. That is my itty bitty little teeny tiny Ulta haul. I'm very proud of myself, you guys. I think I've been doing great on my no-buy, and I am so incredibly excited to try this out. If you've tested this out, please let me know. This was really expensive for like a drugstore CoverGirl foundation. It's like $22. So yeah, we'll see. I do want to test out this foundation because I really think that it's something that I'm going to really, really love. So yeah, y'all don't be too mad at me, y'all. If you're on a no-buy, how's it going so far? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you for being here. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.